Welcome to Foxtecc. Today we're going to take a quick and clear look at how to manage your iPad storage. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPad. Scroll down and tap on General. From there, select iPad storage. This section gives you a breakdown of how much space is used and how much is still available. You'll also see a list of apps automatically sorted by how much storage they're using. Tapping on any app will show you more details. You can choose to offload the app, which removes it from your device but keeps its data. So if you reinstall it later, everything's still there. Or if you no longer need it, you can delete it completely to free up space. This is especially useful for apps you haven't opened in a while. Aside from apps, you can also delete large files, old messages, or media you don't use anymore. Things like long videos or unused downloads can take up more space than you realize. A bit of cleanup here can make a big difference. To take pressure off your iPad's local storage, consider enabling iCloud for your photos, messages, and backups. You'll find iCloud in your main settings page. Just tap your name at the top. There you'll see what's being stored in iCloud and how much space you have left. Personally, I don't pay for extra iCloud storage, so I'm working with the free 5 gigabytes that everyone gets. That means I have to be selective with what goes into iCloud. But even with the free tier, you can still use it to offload some key things and give your iPad a bit of breathing room. Lastly, if you're still running low on space, you can connect an external USB drive or an SSD. You can move your photos, videos, or documents there to free up space on your iPad. It's a simple way to expand your storage without upgrading your device. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPad tips and tutorials. See you later.